Rick Sullivan, a car mechanic from Clinton, Illinois, turned heads across the country by building one of the most bizarre vehicles on American roads, an upside-down pickup truck that is fully drivable and street legal. The idea for this unusual project came to him during the winter when he was called to tow a Ford Ranger that had flipped over in an accident. Inspired by the sight, Sullivan thought it would be both humorous and creative to build a working version of a flipped-over truck. He began the project in his own garage and spent 6 months constructing the vehicle. Using a 1991 Ford Ranger as the driving chassis and parts from a 1995 Ford F-150 as the inverted shell, he assembled a rolling optical illusion. The body of the F-150 was carefully modified and mounted upside down on top of the Ranger's frame. The 4 wheels seen on top of the truck are non-functional but spin freely to enhance the illusion of a flipped-over vehicle. The vehicle includes working mirrors placed near the road surface to meet legal requirements, allowing it to be driven on public streets. The total cost of the build was about $6,000. The truck also sports a custom novelty license plate reading FLIPOVR, a clever nod to its unique appearance. Since unveiling the truck, Sullivan has attracted daily attention from passersby, with many stopping to take photos or videos. According to him, nearly 1,000 people interact with the truck every day. He regularly features in automotive shows and online videos, including a segment by Barcroft Cars. The project is not just a visual trick, it's a functioning vehicle that drives smoothly and safely. What started as an amusing idea became a full-blown engineering challenge that resulted in a memorable and iconic custom build. Sullivan's upside-down truck proves that creativity, craftsmanship, and a sense of humor can make just as strong a statement as any luxury supercar.